Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vas, and today in this video I'm gonna demonstrate how you can connect the DJI Mic 2 to the Insta360 X3. So first of all you have to do is just switch on the Insta360 X3. As you can see, it's on my side, and just take a transmitters from DJI Mic to box. So switch it on as well, as you can see here. I'll switch it on now. As you can see here, it's yellow, and so to connect them together, all you have to do basically just hold this button for a couple of seconds until you say it's flashing. The blue color is flashing. So now we're gonna go on Insta360 X3 menu and click the AirPods, and as you can see here, it's basically searching for the DJI Mic. Just give it a second and let's have a look. The Insta360 X3 camera, we're gonna find the DJI Mic, and now you can see here the DJI Mic is found. Just click on the DJI Mic, and now it's everything connected. So just let's have a look, and as you can see here in this camera, basically you're gonna see here a really small leaf, which means the Insta360 camera is connected to DJI Mic. Right, so let's have a look if it's showing here. Hello, and for some reason it's not showing on receiver. So yes, that's really simple and very easy to connect the DJI Mic 2 to Insta360 X3 camera. I believe even Insta360 X4 will be so easy to connect again. So yeah, if you found this video useful, thumbs up as well. Feel free to subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, do ask them below and I'll be happy to reply you back as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'll see you next video.